Real estate assessment is a statement of the value of your real estate, your home, if you will. It's used to determine your tax liabilities. So once the board adopts a tax rate, we'll apply it to the assessment, and that'll generate a tax bill in the summer. The real estate assessments go out in mid-February upon the release of the county executive's advertised budget. You can see the values online as of that date, and we actually will start mailing as of that date. For residential property, real estate assessments are determined based on a sales analysis. So there's about 14,000 residential sales each year. They have to be arm's length. We look at those sales and compare them to comparable properties for properties that haven't sold. So the value is determined based on a relationship of actual sales in the market. If you have questions about your real estate assessment, the best thing to do is to go online to our website, look at the value of your property, and you can also see there the sales that occurred in your neighborhood. So it gives you context, your value compared to other properties. You're also welcome to call my office, speak to appraisers on the phone, or you can even come in and make an appointment and meet with the appraiser and talk about your assessment.